how to adjust date and time in WhatsApp. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to adjust the date and time settings in WhatsApp. Whether you're troubleshooting a time zone issue or just want to make sure your chats are perfectly synced, this guide will help you. So let's dive right in. First things first, WhatsApp gets its time from your phone system settings. The first step is to make sure that your phone's date and time settings are correct. Let me show you how to do that on both Android and iPhone. Go to settings, then scroll down and tap on date and time. Now if you cannot find it, you can also simply search for it, date and time. Now what you need to do is set automatically. If there is an option for automatic date and time, simply click on automatic. And once your phone's date and time settings are sorted out, WhatsApp should automatically sync with the changes. But if you're experiencing problems such as messages showing up at the wrong time, here's how you can fix it. Go to WhatsApp and go to your chats. Now tap on the settings tab and go to chats and go to chat backup. Here you can simply tap on backup now to make sure your messages are backed up with the latest time information. This step ensures that your chat history is synced with the correct time. Sometimes WhatsApp can show incorrect timestamps because of time zone mismatches. This can happen if your phone's zones isn't set to your actual location. Let me show you how to check that. Go to settings, again on date and time, make sure that automatic time zone is auto enabled. This will ensure your phone automatically picks up your correct time zone. And that's it. That's how you simply make sure that your WhatsApp's date and time is fixed.